Hi guys, today we will talk about how to transfer shots on your WhatsApp app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on shots here. Then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just go down. Then you come here to transfer shots here, then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just click here on start, and you add when you click here it's going to take you here, and you just add another if you just click here on yes I'm sure, and it's going to transfer your shots from another phone. Of course, if you add the phone number, so that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.